warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arya Sudarmin. I'm from class 9.3 SMP 25 Makassar. On this occasion, I will explain about report text. Content. First, this definition. Second, structure. Third, purpose. 4, characteristic. 5, example. 6, conclusion. 7, closing. Definition. Report text is a text which presents information about something as a result of systematic observation and analysis. Third, first, general classification. It is starting classification of general aspect of things like animal, public place, plant, etc., which will be discussed in general. Second, description tells what the phenomenon under discussion in terms of parts, qualities, habitats, and behaviors. Purpose of report text. First, to describe something like animal or plant or nature in general. Second, to report factual information about a subject like animal or plant or nature. The characteristic of report text is: first, use general nouns. Second, use simple present tense. Third, use relative verbs. And fourth, use technical terms. Example 1. The honeybees. General classification. Honeybee is the name given to some species of bees have the ability to produce the honey and beeswax. Of all 20,000 species of bee in the world, there are only 7 species which belong to the group of honeybee. They are insect and all of them belong to the genus Apis. One of the famous honeybee is the western honeybee. Description. The honeybees are usually oval-shaped creatures with golden yellow colors and brown bands. Although the body color of honeybee varies between species and some honeybee have predominantly black bodies, almost all honeybee have varying dark to light striations. Researchers believe that the original habitats of the honeybees are tropical climates and heavily forested areas. Honeybees can thrive in natural or domesticated environment, though they prefer to live in gardens, woodlands, orchards, meadows, and other areas where flowering plants are abundant. There are 3 kinds of honeybee, and each of them has their own job or function. The first one is the queen. The queen is a female honeybee with the job to lay eggs and to be the mother of all of the bees in a colony. There is only one queen in a colony of the bees. An exclusive food called royal jelly is what makes a female honeybee grow larger than other bees and become the queen. The second one is the workers. The workers are all female honeybees in a colony except the queen. They can consist of as much as 60,000 bees in a single colony. Some of their duties are feeding the brood, collecting food, receiving nectar, cleaning the hive, guard duty, producing honey, and also producing beeswax. The third one is the drones. Drones are all male bees in a colony. The drones have one job only, and that is to fertilize the queen during the mating process and will soon be dead after that. Example 2. The solar eclipse. General classification. Solar eclipse occurs when the position of the moon is between the earth and the sun, thereby closing some or all of the sunlight. Although the moon is smaller, but the shadow of the moon is able to protect sunlight entirely because of the moon within an average distance of 384,400 kilometers from Earth. Closer than Sun has an average distance of 149,680,000 kilometers. Description: there are many types of solar eclipse, such as total eclipse occurs when the peak time of the eclipse, the orb of the sun, is closed completely by an orb of the moon. At the time, the moon orb is large or larger than the orb of the sun. The sun this size and the orb of moon itself depending on its distant earth moon and the earth sun. Partial eclipse occurs when the orb of the moon only covers part of the sun orb. In this eclipse, there is always a part of the sun orb that is not covered by an orb of the moon. Annular eclipse occurs when the orb of the moon only covers parts of the sun orb. This type of eclipse occurs when the size of the orb of the moon is smaller than the sun orb, so that when the orb of moon is in the front of the orb of the sun, this of the sun will be not covered by orb of the moon. The sun orb portion is not covered by an orb of the moon. The around the moon located and looks like a luminous ring. Hybrid eclipse is a total eclipse and the shift between the rings at the point on the Earth's surface. This eclipse appears as a total eclipse, whereas the other points appear as the ring eclipse. Hybrid eclipses are relatively rare. Look at the solar photosphere directly is dangerous because it resulted in permanent damage to the eye's retina. Due to high radiation and visible emitted from the photosphere, the damage caused can result in blindness. Observe the solar eclipse requires special eye protection or using viewed indirectly. The use of goggles to watch the eclipse is not safe because it does not filter out infrared radiation that can damage the eye's retina. Due to the rapid circulation of the Earth around the sun, the solar eclipse could not have lasted more than 7 minutes and 58 seconds, so that the observation should be done as soon as possible. Example 3. The spoliation. General classification. Spoliation is a social phenomenon in the criminal category. Spoliation is the illegal confiscation of someone else's property without the permission of the owner. A person who acts or has a carried in a spoliation is called robber, and the action is called spoliation. Description: spoliation usually occurs because of having the intention and opportunity to rob, although sometimes also because of being hit by a situation. Spoliation usually spy on victims before they are executed. Spoliation is caused by several factors, including economic, social, and psychological factors. Economic reasons are the basic reasons for the spoliation, as they too do meet their needs. Social reasons that justify the way they work, even though it must be done so that they are not insulted because they do not have a job. Psychological reason because his soul was disturbed and could not think clearly. Spoliation has a very negative impact on society because spoliation usually carried out by force and felons in these also carry weapons. If the victim of spoliation does not give his belongings, he will not hesitate to kill the victim. Conclusion from the first example report text, the honeybees. Among others, honeybee is the name given to some species of bee. We have the ability to produce honeybee and beeswax. One of the most famous honeybee is the western honeybee. There are 3 kinds of honeybee and each of them has its own duty or function. The first is the queen, the second is the workers, and the third or the last is drones. Conclusion from the second example, report text. The solar eclipse, among others. Solar eclipse occurs when the position of the moon is between of the earth and the sun. There be closing some or all of the sunlight. There are many types of eclipse, such as total eclipse of course, a partial eclipse of course, an annular eclipse of course, and hybrid eclipse. Conclusion from the tier example report text: the spoliation, among others. Spoliation is the illegal confiscation of someone else's property without the permission of the owner. Spoliation is caused by several factors, including economic, social, and psychological factors. Those are some examples of report text that I have delivered on this occasion. I hope this is clear to you. I hope that what I say can be useful for all of you. Thank you for attention to me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.